Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Optix MAG281 URV liquid crystal display. So friend, MSI has launched the Optix MAG281 URV liquid crystal display, and friend, it offers 97% DCI-P3 coverage, and friend, a 27.9-inch 4K liquid crystal display with an IPS screen that offers a broad viewing angle and a high contrast ratio. And friend, a part of the MAG gaming series, it can support refresh rate of up to 60Hz because of the color gamut's DCI-P3 97% coverage and high dynamic range VESA Display HDR 400 compliance. The stand has a tilt range of -5 to 20 degrees, a swivel range of -45 to 45 degrees, a pivot range of -90 to 90 degrees, and a height range of 0 to 130 mm. And friend, a firmware update function is available through USB, and illumination function that is complete with mystic light is included. And friend, the primary specification include reaction time of 4 milliseconds, brightness 300 nit standard and 400 nit HDR peak, and contrast ratio 1000 Gem1. Display color approximately 1.07 billion colors. Horizontal or vertical viewing angle is 178 degree. And friend, the additional specification include the interface are DisplayPort 1.2a/1, HDMI 2.0/2, USB 2.0 Type 2, USB 2.0 Type-B/1, earphone jack ×1, and so on. And friend, the main body measures 638.27 mm in width, 233.68 mm in depth, and 408.22 mm in height. And friend, it weighs about 7.6 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.